Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add something a little different to your scale library, today we've got a special one for you. We are diving into the Kumoi Pentatonic Scale, a hidden gem that will bring a unique sound to your solos. In this video, we will break down the scale, show you how to apply it to some of our classic jazz fusion progressions, and I'll even share some modern techniques to really make your own. So let's dive right in. Just a quick reminder, if you are not subscribed, please click the button and help me reach more people with my lessons and help me keep doing more videos. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's start by actually breaking down what the Kumoi Pentatonic Scale is. It's a 5-note scale, like any other pentatonic, but the note selection gives us a very distinct flavor, kind of mysterious, slightly exotic, and really beautiful for fusion lines. If we take it in D, the notes are D, E, F, A, and B. So the formula is 1, 2, flat 3, 5, and 6. You can think of it as a minor pentatonic with the 4th and 7th removed, replaced by a 2nd and natural 6th. That little one change completely shifts the vibe of the scale. Instead of the typical bluesy color of the minor pentatonic, the Kumoy has this open, suspended, almost Japanese sound sometimes, hence the name. Now, if you look at it on the fretboard, here's one of the most comfortable shapes you can start with. It's super clean, right? There is a kind of tension between the big jumps, especially the minor third here, between the 6th and the root again. But it's still pentatonic and you will figure out very soon how to play music with it. You can also think of it as a great bridge between minor pentatonic and Dorian, because it gives you a modern flavor without leaving the pentatonic comfort zone. So again, 1, 2, flat 3, 5, and 6. That's the magic formula. Now the word Kumoy actually comes from Japanese traditional music. It roughly means above the clouds, which fits the vibe of this scale. It has that airy, floating, slightly bittersweet quality you can hear in Japanese folk and koto music. So musically speaking, the Kumoi pentatonic sits somewhere between the minor pentatonic and Dorian. It's simple enough to phrase with it, but it instantly adds a unique modern flavor to your lines, especially in jazz fusion or modal situations. In a minute, I'll show you how this fits beautifully over minor and dominant chords, but first take a second to just hear the sound of this scale in your head. That's what's going to make the difference and make this scale start to feel natural under your fingers. Now let's see how we can actually use the Kumoi Pentatonic Scale. We'll start simple, just a minor chord, D minor, and over minor chord this scale gives us this angular kind of mysterious flavor that we can hear in a lot of players today. Try this, focus on the big leaps between notes and strings, because it creates that floating exotic vibes without sounding too outside. Now check this out, over a dominant chord it gets super bluesy. That's the cool part, you get a bluesy tension, but it's still sounding fresh. It's like mixing Japanese colors with classic blues language. The way to practice this is just to stay locked in position and try to adapt the different fingerings for the scale to match the actual chord tones and see the whole picture. When playing dominant chords, the real trick is to think from the 5th and build the scale to get 5th, 6th, 7th and 9th. Then you move it to the next position and do the same. Thank you very much for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you got all the PDFs available on my website for free, so check them out. See you in the next one!